Okay, alright, so we're a little late, but this is week 4. It's about 6:30 in the evening. I've been baking, so I've been kind of busy. The birds are, as you can see, in week 4, they're getting fairly large. They're getting fairly large. We just got lights. Sorry about that. Yeah, they're hungry. I gotta have to sign off and go feed them, but we'll go ahead and put this in the books, and then next week we'll do 5, and you'll get a view. See you later. So here we are, week 5, and it's cold outside and nasty. And these guys are thirsty and hungry, and damn wire. I can't open the door because, as you can see, they want more food. So you have to be careful with these guys because, come on, get off the wire. Okay, here we go. If you feed them, you think, well, I can put in a ton of feed. I've got these feed trays, and as you can see, they buried them. Look at that one over there, standing there over one. There's nothing there but a trough of sawdust. What happens is these guys do 2 things. They eat, sleep. If you give them continuous feed, they will continuously eat until they die. So you have to let them go for a ways, and as you see, they get quite active and quite upset about it. But it's week 5, so they're halfway home, a little over halfway home. As you can see, they're getting good and big and plump. So, that's the whole point of this factor. Crazy birds. Anyway, yeah, it's cold and nasty outside. Cold and nasty. We will talk to you later. See ya. Alright, so here we are. What week is it?
I don't know.
Oh,
6, 7, 8.
No. It's like week 5. And as you can see, they are quite large. I gotta stay away from the fencing. We're out here right now giving them the evening feeding. And as you see, they know it. They are coming up against the door. They're about to bum rush us. So I'm gonna back up so that there's no... There we go. The horde. Oh my God. They're coming into the feed room. Oh, now they're going back. Look at this. This is called the crazy feeding. Hey, you're on the wrong side of the fence. Hey, buddy. Come out of there. Hello? There's 2 of them. Get out of there, you 2. Come on. Come on. Your brethren are eating while you guys are over here. Come on. 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 Go that way. Go that way. No, the other way, big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. There he goes. Now he figured it out. Ay, caramba. Yeah. This is what they do. Yeah. And now we got to clean these up and give them some water. So we have one that is not acting quite right. Standing here all by himself. He's standing, which is interesting. We've been pretty lucky so far this year. We haven't lost one, but he may be the first. All right, well, at any rate, sorry about not knowing what week, but I'm sure the editor-in-chief will fix that. All right, time to give him some water. I got to go in and check this one bird out. So, all right, good night. Bye-bye from Birdland.